1-0, so you might as well give him the ball.
Well, first quarter has begun. It's brought to us by new Cobra Vitamin C. Lakas at proteksyon, Cobra.
Short-lived din. Ganyan din ang ginawa ng Blackwater against them. San Miguel, ganun din. Pinapabayaan. Uminit yun. Pero mamamatay din yung apoy energy. Mawala man yung kabagnot sa sahig. May Terence Romeo ka naman. Not so bad.
Di ba tayo? That other teams have to give sa kanila, di ba? Whoop! Saktong-sakto. Lakas move. Atid sa atin ng new Cobra Vitamin C. Lakas at proteksyon. Bounce anticipated once again. Nakuha naman ulit. Oh! Nabuta naman ni Jurman. Siya magdadala ng bola. Natanggal ang sapatos. And the jab from McCullough. There's a shoe. Natawa na lang siya.
And he was trying to challenge it and he slipped there because didn't have that shoe.
Paano tikuhan niya? Romeo slowed down. Love! Oh! Isang kaway naman ngayon.
Take a look at the precision in that pass and then cocks it back. Nasty.
Matulit ang kanilang lamang.
E kung tutusin mo, kung tinignan mo, walang lehitimong sentro dito sa laro natin ngayon.
And McCullough, though, taking advantage. That's what we're talking about once again. Another lob kay McCullough. The foul is there. Nag-reach si Borboran. Iba na rin yung bantay nila kay Chris Ross, no, sa 3-point line. Tinattempt sila ng isa. But never again. And now, here's Terence to McCullough. It's just a 9-point lead. Back to single digits. At binaba ulit. Pito na lang yan. Erwin Santos. There's McCullough once again. Spins away from the defense. Almost an N1 situation. Ito yung kanina. Pag-atake, sabay turn. Lakas move, hatid sa atin ng new Cobra.
Turnovers of Rainer Shine, killing them yet again. Tulad nung Game 2, ito na naman yung dahilan kung bakit nakahabol at ngayon lamang na.
To his old form, diba? Balik kay McCullough, the repoke. He spins!
Oh, wow!
Tapos pinakikita niya kanyang
ating laro. He was on fire in Game 1.
Like this guy, hindi naman. Showing very different facets of his game. His scoring, may pasa. Ito rin eh. Terence Romeo is back in the game. He finds Chris Ross. They've been able to blank him from three-point land. But this guy, they have from everywhere.
Wow, unstoppable in this ball game. It
doesn't score the bucket.
Markado rin kasi siya, Ganda ng depensa ng Rainer Shine against him. But there's a
player off the bench na talagang masi-threaten somehow yung mga starting unit mo na mapapaisip sila na pag sinabout ako, sigurado babalik ako sa game.
Sustainability from Rainer Shine. The composure against this battle test.
Diba? Give and go! Tapos napasok, muntik ng ilawa, pero sabi ng bola, sayang naman yung highlight.
Sayang, hindi Bo Belga for him to have a decent shot.
13 puntos para kay Bo. McCullough sasagot.
Oh, this guy is unstoppable.
McCullough. Stan Hardinger. Contact basket.
It's gonna be a toe-to-toe battle. It'll be an interesting last 2 minutes.
Sagutan dito, rookie nakabanda kay McCullough. Jumper, pasok!
Oh, yun ay 50.
Yep, the 51 is